Question 2 gets us to first find expected value of x. You have to remember that the expected value of x is the integral of x times f of x between the values that we have up here, between 1 and 3. So you're finding the integral between 1 and 3 of x squared over 4. I've done x times x over 4 to get that. Of course, when we integrate that, we get x cubed over 12, throwing in the values of 1 and 3. So 3 cubed, 27, take away 1, 26 over 12 as our expected value of x. Continuing to the second bit, we need the variance, or the variance of x. You'll remember the formula, the variance of x is the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. So we need to work out what the expected value of x squared is actually going to be. Well, it's the integral, again, between 1 and 3 of x squared times by f of x again. So this time we're integrating between 1 and 3 x cubed over 4 dx. And I'll let you work that out, go through to that, and when you find that out, you do get 5. I think the answer there is 5. Finally, sticking that into this formula here, so the variance of x is now the expected value of x squared, that's 5. Take away this thing here, 26 over 12 squared. So my variance turns out to be 11 over 36. Quite an interesting question then. We've got here this given that question. And really, I'll do it up here. If you think about a sort of big long number line here, and starting at 0, we've got 1, 2, 3, and on it, well, it doesn't go any further, does it? You can only go 1, 2, and 3. What do we know? We know that it's bigger than 1.5. So we know this probability here. We want it to be lower than 2. So we want this bit here. So there's 2 probabilities to work out. The first probability you need to work out is the probability of it being bigger than 2. And you can do that using the integral between 2 and 3 of f of x dx. I'll leave you to work that out as you get 27 over 32. But then we want to work out this bit here. This bit, that red bit there, is the integral between 1.5 and 2 of f of x dx. And so that probability, that turns out to be 7 over 32. We want our final answer, it's the probability of the red bit out of the blue bit. So 7 over 32 out of 27 over 32, giving the answer 7 over 27.